It's almost 11 on a Friday night, but I haven't shot a video for Sunday yet. Because I'm absolutely short of ideas. I gave a lot of thought to it. I asked Google, I asked friends and family, but nothing was satisfactory. Lucky enough, I found this empty bottle lying around in my house and I wanted to paint on it. But what to paint? I'm a software engineer and I don't easily give up because I take help of ChatGPT. So I got this crazy idea of going to ChatGPT and asking it to suggest what to paint on the bottle. And take a look at its response. Try painting cute Buddha. That looks like an amazing idea. So I will sleep for now, but I'm so excited to take up this challenge tomorrow. Good night.
One eternity later.
Hi, it's morning and I'm all set to take up this challenge. I'm firstly taking white acrylic colors and dabbing it with a sponge all over the bottle. You know what's the advantage of dabbing it with a sponge? The color spreads very evenly. You can also use brushes, but you will need to apply 2-3 coats in order to get that even finish. You know what? I wanted to include elements like sky and clouds, so I'm choosing blue as the background color. I'm adding this white layer thinking that it will give a nice gradient and also will give the look of sky. I will quickly draw the rough sketch of the cute Buddha that I have in my mind. As you can vaguely see from the rough sketch, I'm painting a cute Buddha sitting on a lotus. And about the background white gradient, do you feel like the lotus and Buddha both are sitting on a cloud? That's how I wanted it to be. Let me know in the comment section if you feel so too. I made the skin color by mixing red, yellow and white. I'm applying it over face and the body. I will quickly finish applying base color to all parts of Buddha. Adding some highlights to the lotus. For the base color I chose light pink and for the highlights I'm choosing dark pink. I'm adding more highlights with white color to give the feel of light. I'm applying highlights all over our painting with a darker color. I'm also adding some highlights with white color to give the shiny look. I did not want to leave the remaining space empty, so I am adding some clouds in the background. So yes, we are done with the challenge. I really loved the entire process of making it. After painting with acrylic colors, do not forget to paint a coat of varnish so that your artwork will not get damaged. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comments about how you have felt about the painting. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel.